Hi Denise, it's Rainy. I've just nipped out to the cabin, so I thought I'd do you a little preview, let you have a little look at it properly, because from the front, well, as you can see, beautiful array of druzy, very sparkly, and then you've got that aura quartz that's on it as well, but it looks very different when you go around the back. It's still lovely, but it's a very different looking crystal from the back. So the aura quartz shows up more, and it tends to be, all of these tend to be a bit smoother. This one though has actually got the druzy come right through. So I just thought it's so unusual, we better give you a proper little look. So probably a bit wibbly wobbly because I've got the camera in my hands, not on a stand. But there you go. That's that sphalerite aura quartz druzy that you spotted. Thank you.